Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications on the Stereo Let's Talk application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then click on this settings button in the upper right corner, and here you can see this don't miss a thing, turn on push, meaning that you can enable push notifications simply by tapping on this button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you will be directed to your phone's settings where you need to tap on notifications, click on allow, go back, and you will be able to enable push notifications. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.